I'm Clive. And here is Mazda's CX-50 2.5 turbo, while over there is a fast-moving freeway. Let's see how quickly our driver can get onto it by stamping on the pedal all the way to merging speed. That shadow there on the ground is the acceleration of an average car for comparison. Okay, ready? Set. Go! Did you see it fall behind at the start? That's due to its start-stop system and turbo lag. 60 miles per hour happens in 7.2 seconds. And it hits merging speed in 9.1. And did it in 47% of the on-ramp. Check it out on this comparison graph. The red line is the Mazda, the black one is the average acceleration of all cars, and those grey ones show the range of all the cars we've tested. Here's the delay at the start, and also a gear shift here. It's slower than average, but the silver lining is better mileage and its turbo means it's less affected by higher altitudes. Its score of 33.8% puts it in roughly the bottom third. However, it's probably quick enough for the average driver. But you're not average.